welcome. I hope you're all excited because it is time for another Petit Vour beauty unboxing. My box is a little wet today because it was pouring rain when I got home. Hooray! So if you guys do not remember how we do this, let me refresh you, or if you're new here. So I get my new box. I talk about last month's box, what I liked, what I didn't like, and then we unbox the new box and then we talk prices. So first, in the last month's box, I got two things that I have gotten before that I liked. Sorry, cats. I got the 100% pure argan oil. I love that stuff. It's great. I still haven't gotten through my first bottle. So it's awesome though. I do recommend it. It's great for like putting in your hair the night before you wash it, or using it as like a face serum, or even on your body. It's great. I love it. It's very versatile. I love a product that can double duty. I also got more of the Belle primer, which at first, when I first got it and reviewed it, I didn't like the smell. It was kind of like, it smelled, I don't want to say mildewy, but kind of like that, like when water is like in a bottle for too long or something and it's not been touched and it gets that weird smell. That's how it smelled to me. But I do like it. It has grown on me quite a bit, and it's probably my favorite primer right now. So I was happy to get another one of those. The two items that I received in last month's box that were new was the lip gloss. I don't remember what brand. I think it was from the Idun Minerals. I don't know if I'm even saying that right. It was a really good gloss. It was very neutral, very mild in color, but it had enough color that it brightened up my lips. It was very moisturizing. Obviously, it's a gloss, so it doesn't stay on very long, but I really liked it. I would probably buy it again. And then there was the balm, the lemon balm. Guys, listen, I've tried with this brand so much to get products that I love, but I have not. And it's like, I don't remember what the brand is, but you'll see it up here. I just have not been in love with any of their products, and this one is the worst. The smell was just atrocious, and I'm very sensitive to smell. So I didn't like it, and I tried it in multiple applications. So as a balm, I'm expecting it to be thicker, richer. This one was a little watery. It wasn't quite as thick. I used it as like a lotion. I used it as a cream. I put it on my feet, my body, my face. I even tried to use it as like a makeup removing balm, and it didn't do very well there either. So it wasn't super moisturizing, and to me, the consistency was more of like your generic hand cream. I wasn't a fan. I wasn't a fan of the way it performed, and I wasn't a fan of the smell. It did not smell like lemons at all. I was very disappointed. So that was last month's box. I don't think I need to say any more. Let's go to the unboxing. Da-da-da-da-da. Happy Mail Day. Be bold, be kind. Petit Vour. And that's all that information if you're curious. Let's see what we got. Did I get more? Oh my gosh. They sent me the 100% pure argan oil again. This is the third time. Now, to be fair, guys, I am getting the Petit Vour Plus box. So it sends me stuff that has been well received already. So this must be a popular pick, considering I have 3 of these now. I will literally have this all year now. I'll never run out. Like, amazing. I love this stuff. So cool. Next, this is new. My Shell Pharmaceuticals Hydrate Ultra Hyaluronic Eye Gel. It has hyaluronic acid, green caffeine. It brightens and hydrates. So it's an eye gel, which, you know, if you guys have been around for a while, you know how I feel about eye creams. But I will give it a try. There is the ingredients in case you're curious. Okay. And all that cool stuff. So yeah, I'm going to open this up. So yeah, there is the cute little eye cream. I mean, I'm going to give it a try. I have used every single one thus far. I guess I should show this, even though I've gotten it 3 times now. I should show it for you guys who may not be familiar with it. And it is just that. It is argan oil. So what else do we got in here? Ooh. Show your true colors. Multitasking beauty stick is a seamless blend of ease and efficiency for busy people. Interesting. Fluency. Pigments derived from plants. Multi-stick for eyes, lips, and face. Okay, so I Am Perfect. I have to open that. So here is what we're working with. It looks like a little lipstick tube. This is I Am Perfect Peachy Nude, which I love a good peach. Oh no. Oh no, that is not peach. That is not peach. That looks way too dark for my skin, guys. I am not gonna lie. Wow. Okay, well, I mean, come on now. I don't think, guys. Yeah. All right, moving on. Our last thing is the 100% pure matcha green tea antioxidant hydrogel mask, which I'm a fan of 100% pure so far. So I'm excited to give this a try. And there's the ingredients if you're curious and the directions. I love a good sheet mask and a hydrogel mask. I can feel it in there. It's very squishy. So yeah, that is the unboxing. Let's bring it up and talk pricing. All right, now we're back up. So, as you guys know, my box from last month was pretty good. This month looks pretty good too. Besides the fluency. Like, listen, I'm probably not going to use that. I'm just being real. That does not match my skin tone at all. Like, it's a multi-stick. You're supposed to use it for your eyes, your lips, and your face. I don't. Nope. That's not going to work on any part of my face. Should I try it? Yes. Because that's kind of the point of these videos. But will I try it is a whole nother story. I will let you guys know next month. But right now, let's talk pricing. So the oil, we are well versed in the oil. $34 a bottle. It is pricey. It is worth it though. Like, I won't have to buy any the rest of this year because I have 3 bottles of it, but I would buy it. For sure, I will buy it. So $34 for that. The mask is $8. The stick, the multi-stick that I probably won't use, is $25. And then last but not least, the MyShell Dermaceuticals Hydrate Ultra Hyaluronic Eye Gel is $34.99. So that is the highest product in this box by 99 cents, which brings our grand total to $101.99. Now that's a good deal. Like, the price of the Petit Vour Plus box did go up this year. I think it's like $28 now or something, but that's a crazy good deal for what you're getting. So far, by doing the Vegan Cuts Beauty box and the Petit Vour Plus box back to back, I think maybe next year I'll do the Petit Vour box, not the Petit Vour Plus box, but I really wanted to do the Plus because I haven't been doing beauty boxes in a while and I wanted to see what other people liked. But I do like the excitement of getting products that may be new as well. But the Petit Vour Plus box is definitely worth the money. As far as the beauty boxes I've been trying goes, it gives you such good value for what you pay for. But that does it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I can't wait to give these products a try and get back to you next month. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!